of it. Ow, fucker! Ah, fuck, that burns. Alright, it's getting crispy. It's getting crispy. Don't have non-stick spray. I have non-stick spray. What is that gonna do? I have non-stick spray. I'm gonna cut out a hole with this. Like that. What am I gonna do with that? Am I supposed to spray it? Spray the... Is this magic? Use the top. Oh. Ew, it's like dirty and stuff though. Okay. Wait, let it get a little bit more crispy. Alright. Here we go. Bam! Bitch! Yo! I did it! Wait. Ow, fuck! I did it! Look, Gabby! I did it! Ow! Ow, it's hot! I did it! What do you do with this? You cooked for me, bitch! Yeah! Alright, eggs, you gotta get the eggs! Austin 316! Oh, baby eggs everywhere! Oh! You know! Did I do it right? Don't flip until they're cooked. The bread's burning. I gotta flip it. The bread's gonna burn. Yo, look at it, dude. That's awesome. Look at this. I don't know if you can see this right now. Look at that. Yo. Look at it. It's like a smiley face. Have you ever seen this, Gabby? In the middle. Yeah. You ever seen that in the middle? Now it looks like a face. Does that not look like a face now? That's awesome. Alright. I didn't ruin it. I didn't ruin it. Look, I still got the 2 pieces of bread that we cut out. I'm just gonna put them there. It's all good. Have you ever seen Mega? Triple! And put an egg on that bitch! I got another egg! How you think about that? That's an egg sandwich, bitch! Okay, now I fucked up. I fucked up. I fucked up, guys. I think I fucked up. Is it still good or no? Add some wine. I don't have any wine. I think it needs to be flipped. I need a spatula. Oh my god, dude. Look at this. Tell me this ain't the most banging shit that you ever seen in your life. Look at that. It fucking connected. How cool is that? It's connected. It needs milk. It needs milk, eh? Shall we put a little milk in there? Yeah. Look at it. What's wrong with it? He's missing bacon. What a fuckhead. Yo. The sausage? How about I put a sausage on it like that? That's perfect. It's like a bridge. It's like two sausages on each other. How fucking cool is that now? How fucking cool is that? Look at that. How fucking cool is that? Tell me this is not the best egg in the hole in the egg that you've ever, whatever the fuck it is. Tell me this ain't the best fucking thing ever. Cheese? Yo, cheese? I got some cheese for that ass. Yo. I got some cheese for that ass, girl. I got some cheese right here. Fuck you, I'm not peeing on it. Get the fuck out of here. That's the best thing ever. Thank you, GR. Somebody appreciate. Something's going on. It's not sounding good. I think I need to hurry up and put cheese on it. 2 slices ought to be good. Pepper jack cheese. Wham! Oh, wait. Bam! Bam! I have to... Oh, whatever. That's good. Can't help it! Girl can't help it! It's popping and shit. I think the bread's done. Okay, that one's gotta go. That's too much. I can't fucking cook with that. Oh yeah. I think it's done. Just like that, it's done. I got melted cheese though. Get that nice and melted. Trap that heat in there. Oh shit, this is coming loose. Huh. Handyman, dandy man. I can fix this. Where's my screwdriver at? No. Fuck it. Alright. I think it's done. Jumping, ripping, sucking, falling in love. Oh, the sausage fell off. Shit. Okay. Yum. That's the best hole in the wall I've ever had. I think that toast burnt a little bit. Now what else goes good on that? Some Tony's. Yum 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 yum. Blended. Put some Tony's on there. Yes. This is like breakfast in heaven. Got all my favorites on here. Troubling, ripping, sucking. Alright. Okay. You mad, bro? There we go. We're gonna eat this cold. You want some? You want some? You can eat this with me. Oh my God! Yo, this song. Oh my God, Sun's on fire. Would you dance? If I asked you to dance, would you run? Would you run? And never look back. Would you cry? Would you cry? If you saw me crying. If you saw me crying, would you say sing tonight? Would you tremble? Would you tremble? If I touched your lips, would you laugh? Would you laugh? Oh, please tell me. I want you. You love. Tonight. Hit it, boys! I can be your hero, baby. I can take away the pain. Wait, is it taste or take? Why don't you taste away somebody's fucking pain, dude? You keep my breath away. Oh my God. How about making me want to take my panties off? Huh. I need some water. Come on, Chloe. Come on. Come on, you need to be here for this. Come on, we did this together. We did this together. We did this together, Chloe. You're gonna like this food. Don't touch it now, that's my food. You can watch. Don't go nowhere. All right, here we go. Puppy, the food's right here, Chloe. Chloe, look, the food. You don't like it? Look. Look at the food. I cooked it for us. It's not dandruff, it's fucking seasoning. God, you guys are fucking amazing. You guys don't know anything about cooking, do you? Alright, I just realized, am I actually gonna eat this? This is not creative. Actually, it is kind of creative. Well, you ready? You first taste. Oh, this is so good. Here. You want that?